First off, of course they don't. They are the best loans out there for so many reasons. They help our veterans and active service members get into a home. Now, the loan itself is incredible. What can you buy for no down payment anywhere? I can't think of anything, let alone buying a home. So, what actually makes a VA loan so great? The first big part is zero down payment. That is a huge out-of-pocket saving. Next, no mortgage insurance is another plus, which saves you huge amounts of money every month. Technically, there isn't a low-end credit score, but almost every lender has an overlay for a score. Most mortgage brokers can access lenders that go all the way down to 550. So don't listen to the banks that only lend to veterans over a 620. Another money saving option is to ask for seller concessions, and you can receive up to 4% of the appraised value. Warning, this may be a big ask in this market, but if you don't ask, you don't get. To get a VA loan, you have to go through the same steps that any other loan type has to go through. A mortgage application and a credit review gives us a good starting information. On top of that, we need a COE and a DD-214 to prove your eligibility. I have mentioned the amazing savings included in this loan, but there may be costs that you will need to pay. This is the funding fee. If you have a funding fee, it is 2.3% of the listing price. This can be rolled into the loan though. If you have service-related disability of 10% or more, the service fee doesn't have to be paid. These loans can help in a number of ways. So, I have already mentioned the low credit score and the no down payment needed. The other hurdle a lot of people have issues with in all loans is the debt to income ratio. FHA and conventional are strictly capped. Not so with the VA loan, although some lenders do have a cap of 41%, which is actually quite low. We can use residual income. This is all the money left over after you have paid your monthly debt obligation. This is what you would use for groceries or gas. Now, this is all based on how many people living in the home. So here is a graph showing how much residual income is needed in different parts of the country. It isn't actually that much that is needed. But a word of warning though, this isn't a cut and dry guideline. Your whole credit profile will have to be taken into account to make sure this all works for you. So once you've contacted a mortgage broker, you will either already know or be assigned a loan officer. This is the person who will be your contact throughout the entire home buying process. They will be the one asking for your initial paperwork. They will also be the intermediary between the loan processor, wholesale lender, and the realtors. They will be giving you updates, answering any questions, and holding your hand through this process. They tend not to work banker's hours, so if you need a pre-approval letter in the evening or weekends, they know this is important and will do their best to get what you need. We can also put you in touch with some great realtors if you don't have one. I hope this was a good overview of why VA loans are awesome. So anytime you, a friend or family member, needs a VA home loan, that's what I do. I'm in the mortgage industry and would love to help you when you have that need. Thanks for watching.